we would like to invite Professor Dr. Shantanu Sen, Principal, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, to deliver the official vote of thanks for JIS Samman 2020. Please, sir.
Thank you, Karavi and Jeet, for the wonderful session. So here we have reached to the fag end of most awaited JIS Samman. So for the very successful execution of this JIS spirit for today's and then JIS Samman, first of all, I would like to thank from the core of my heart to Sardar Taranjit Singh, the Honorable Managing Director of JIS Group, without whom this kind of event, mega event, would not have been possible. I would like to thank Mr. Simarpreet Singh, Director, JIS Group of Educational Initiative, for his continuous encouragement and support for this kind of event organization and continuation of such program. I would also like to thank all the management trustee of JIS Group for their continuous motivation and encouragement to carry out such program, and particularly this program. I would like to thank Padma Shri Professor Ajay Kumar Rai, without whom it would have been impossible to make this event to reach such a height and explore the veteran personality of national and international repute for the JIS Mahasamman. Thank you, sir. There is another person, Mr. U.S. Mukherjee, who is famous by his name U.S. Mukherjee. Today morning when his name was declared Uday Shankar Mukherjee, many people could not recognize that who is this person, because he is famous by his name USM or U.S. Mukherjee. So thank you very much, sir. Mr. U.S. Mukherjee, without whom from the very beginning of this organization of this event, he was continuously with us, and in every meeting, he was physically and through virtual mode, he was present, and he was the guiding spirit for this JIS spirit and JIS Samman. I would like to thank all the HOIs, all the principals and directors of all the institutions and university under JIS Group. And I would like to thank our VC, Vice Chancellor, Professor Indranil Sengupta, for his continuous support of releasing his employee to work at GNIT premises. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Padma Bhushan Pandit Ajay Chakraborty for his benign presence through virtual mode and accepting our honor for the award JIS Mahasamman. I would also like to thank Dr. Bishwadeep Mitra, the Managing Director of Texas Instrument USA, for his presence through virtual mode and accepting the honor JIS Samman. I would also like to thank Padma Shri Jhulan Goswami, the famous and national and international cricketer, women cricketer, for accepting the honor and to raise the occasion to a extreme height. There is another person without whom it would have been not possible to organize this event, Mr. Bidut Majumdar, General Manager, Marketing, JIS Group. From the very beginning of the program to the end, still now he is sitting in front of me. So on Sunday, yesterday also he came in the morning, and whole day he was with us, and he was continuously with us, without whom it would have been not possible to organize such a big event, because the event consists of 2 days JIS Spirit and then JIS Samman. It was a continuous journey. Thank you very much, sir. Then I would like to convey my heartful thankfulness to all the SPOCs, the cultural committee members, the technical committee members, all the anchors for JIS Spirit and JIS Shaman for their continuous support, engagement to carry out and to organize this beautiful program. Then my special thanks goes to Dr. Shoikat Maiti and Mr. Gaurav Majumdar, because they are from JIS University, but for last 1 week, they were continuously at Guru Nanak campus for organizing this event, and they gave their continuous technical and mental and all sorts of supports. Thank you, Dr. Maiti and Gaurav Majumdar. Then I would like to specially thank the GNIT media team, which consists of students like Diganto, Sheryl, Shurjaini, Nilimesh, Rahul, for their continuous and brilliant support on technical activities. For last few days, they didn't sleep even. So day and night, they have been working, and for them only, actually, they have tremendous energy and enthusiasm. So day and night, they worked, and being, student, we have found that they are so sincere. At morning dawn, they every day were coming to college, and at late night, they were leaving. So this is a brilliant performance by them, and really, I am thankful to them. I would also like to thank today's special anchors, Dr. Karabi Ganguly, Jeet Chakraborty, Shantanu Chakraborty, and Dr. Sharmishta Basu for anchoring today's beautiful event, which was tedious. And also I would like to thank all the anchors of JIS Spirit. Then I would like to specially thank Bishwajit Chaki Chaudhuri, Shourish Mitra, Dr. Sucharita Chakraborty. So they were, continuously with us for the successful execution of this program. And last but not the least, I must thank to all the media person, press media, news media, television media, and Facebook and Zoom for their continuous coverage of this beautiful program for last 3 days, JIS Spirit and then JIS Shaman. So, and at last, I would like to thank the PR team for continuous this highlighting and publicizing the event JIS Spirit and JIS Shaman for last few days, and thanks to the PR team. And then I would like to thank the chairman of the JIS Shaman committee, Professor Dr. Abhijit Sengupta, who was busy for his inspection kind of purpose, but he's a person, he's such a nice person that he do not believe in centralized this administration. He is very open, and he kept everything open-handed, so that every under his umbrella, all students, faculty, everybody can work very freely, for which this kind of event have become successful. Thank you, sir. So yeah, so and I would like to specially thank the social media team, because we have got a huge applaud and success, lakhs of viewers and engagement in Facebook and in other media. Particularly, we have focused to the Facebook, which was live streamed. So I would like to specially thank to the social media team for their continuous support, and I would like to particularly thank Srinjay from head office because for his spontaneous support, and Rohit, then Anmol sir for their continuous support and engagement, and towards the execution of this program. So this is this is from all my side. So if mistakenly I have missed any name, please excuse me. And at the last, I would like to thank the lightman, the cameraman, the videographer, then photographer, all the directly and indirectly associated persons with this event. And a big thanks to all of them, because they often do not come in the front, but they work from behind. So a special and big thanks to them. So if I have missed any name, please excuse me. This is an unintentional mistake. So here I would like to invite Professor Dr. Abhijit Sengupta, the chairman of JIS Shaman. Sir, please. Sir will be coming through Zoom. Professor Abhijit Sengupta, please.
Thank you, Dr. Shantanu Sen. I did not want to speak anything extra, but I took this opportunity just to convey my gratitude, heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Shantanu Sen and Moitri Kanjilal, particularly Shantanu Sen, because he has means I was really busy with some of my college works for last nearly 10 days, 5 to 10 days, and last 3-4 days, 5 days I could not even attend any of your meetings also. But really, Dr. Shantanu Sen, you have conducted the things very nicely, and the whole program was very compact and up to the time, and the whole team, the full team of this JIS Samman has done a great job. Professor Ajay Rai, really his contribution is not measurable, and your contribution is also not measurable. At the end, definitely I would like to take the name of Mr. Vidyut Majumdar, who has given all support, and particularly our management team. They have given us a free hand to do anything and everything to make this program successful. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Dr. Sen.
Thank you, Marian sir. Thank you, Abhijit sir. Thank you, Shantanu sir.